Hello, gorgeous. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. A. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. A. She is Tamika and Tamika is me. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into this video. We are going to be doing an unboxing. As you can tell by the title of the video, your girl got her a smart scale. So let's talk about this. Let's talk about it, honey. Let's talk about it. Alright, so I was on Simply Taisha's video earlier today, and I made a comment, and then I looked in the comment section and I saw 2.0 mommy. She mentioned about a smart scale, and so I replied to her like, oh my god, yes, I need to get one of those. Well, she told me Amazon got it for 20 bucks. So I said, say less. So I went on Amazon and got it, and I responded back to her and I said, hey girl, I'm getting mine today, and I got it today. As soon as I pulled up in the driveway, girl, my box was right there. Husband was looking like, no, what are you doing buying when you know we gotta move? This ain't what I was supposed to. What is this? I forgot to cancel this order. This is not my scale. I was wondering why it was so light. I bought the Premier. I forgot to change it because I want that salted caramel. I love that truffle, whatever caramel thing that I got. And my makeup 45, my concealer. Sorry guys, false alarm. I will chat with you when the scale gets here. But the reason for me getting this scale is because if you didn't watch my last video, I was very transparent. I shared about my struggles of being addicted to weight loss, just wanting to see the scale go down, go down, go down. For those who do not know, I am on the GLP-1 medication, Zepbound, and I just completed my 1 year on Zepbound on Sunday, which was March 23rd. But I'm getting the smart scale because I need that in order for me to do what I need to do, so I can vlog it and, well, document it and then share it once I kind of like get some more results. But I am starting to see results. So, because if he sees another box, he might say something. So, shh. So I'm back. Here's the scale right here. So I got my scale. I got some more other little things too. I got these little nails, so I'm going to put these on, and it's going to be on my other channel, Tamika's Beauty Lounge. Then I got some more combs, Tamika's Beauty Lounge. This is the RENPHO scale. So it's the Elise 1 Smart Body Scale. Ah! Well, what in... Oh, right here. So, here we go, boo. Voila. Voila. Okay, so I got a card. I got 3 batteries. Scale. Oh, she cute. She cute. Alright. So it is pretty small. Like, it could have fit in here. It could have fit in this box. Look at the color. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Just slide it down like that. Excuse my nails, they're not done. That means I have 2 scales in the household. One scale, that one that only gives the number, said this morning I was at 135 pounds, 0.8. You might be wondering, like, girl, you gained 3 pounds. I sure did. Like Twan says, yes, yes, yes. She knows what I mean when I say that. Not yes, 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 but anywho. because that scale said 135.8, whatever this scale says, I am going to go with it, and I am no longer going to be using the scale that only gives the weight. I'm not going to be using that. So if this scale says I am at 137, I'm going to take it because your girl wants to get that weight back up, okay? So we're going to put this back on, and hold on. All right, so then you just put it up there, and wait, hold on. Goodness. Just place it flat and go up. That is so easy. Got the little things here. Let's see if it comes on. Oh, the sensors. You need your feet. My hands. No, it doesn't work. Oh, heck no. Oh, no, no, no. This thing say I weigh 127. I know you lying. Again, that you don't weigh yourself on carpet, but I just want to see if it come on. But it says I'm 138. 138, 138, 138. But like I said, this is a 3-pound difference. 3-pound difference? 138? It says right now I'm 138, and I just ate, so of course that's not going to count, right? Until tomorrow. So this is a body composition scale, which is something that I needed. All right, so with this, it does display your weight, BMI, body fat, everything that I need in order to body recomp while I'm eating in a calorie surplus so I can build some muscle, okay?